Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I've got something exciting to show you. Now, every once in a while, I have seen a product that comes through and I'm like, we have got to carry that at Big Pine Sports. Now, what is in this box? I am about to show you what is in this box, but when I saw this product, I knew we had to carry it at Big Pine Sports for a lot of reasons. I'm going to show you that, I think, in this box. I do not know what's inside the box, but we're going to experiment together. So I reached out to this company called TWISTLOCK. So this is a beverage locking system. All right, I'm going to open it up. They sent me a bunch of samples. We're going to see what it's all about. But essentially, you're going to be able to take a cup and attach it to your boat, your RV, your side-by-side, your Vanderhaal Brawley. I think this is going to be the solution for you Brawley owners. So let's see what else we got inside. Oh, we got a personalized love note. We'll see what this is all about. Jared, greetings from Central Oregon. Thank you for taking the time to review our TWISTLOCK product line. I look forward to hearing your thoughts once you've had a chance to test these out. Cheers, Jason. How cool is that? When you get a personalized message from a company that you've reached out to review their product and check it out, that's top notch. So what do we have? First item up is the TWISTLOCK Beverage Locking System. This is the bar mount locking base. So essentially, every cup is going to be able to lock on to their locking system. This one is to go around a roll cage or a bar on your boat. We're going to just pull everything out and see what's inside. We also have the TWISTLOCK Beverage Locking System. So this is a drop-in replacement for most cup holders. So essentially, this is going to go down in your existing cup holder, and it's got their locking device down on the inside. You want to take a peek at it in there? Nice. A cool thing about this is I interviewed with these guys. They have a 2-year warranty on their product, their whole entire product line. 2-year warranty. You don't see that kind of warranty in this industry. All right, this is the mini disc locking base, and I'll show you guys how this works here when we get to the cups. So there's their mini locking base. And then we've got their flat mount locking base. I think this one's going to be my favorite. It looks the best in my opinion. It's got a nice flat surface, so you're not going to trip over it or hit your hand on it or anything. For you Brawley guys, I think this is going to mount down on that center console where your beverage is going to go in and lock into place. Again, we'll demonstrate that here momentarily. And this is their vertical mount locking cup holder. So again, this will go on a vertical surface. Let's see, lift here. Oh, nice. Beverage goes in, locks into place. You've got their cool locking system there. All right. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different types. I don't know if there's more. Let's see what we got here. I think we're getting into some of the drinkware here. All right. This is the insulated 12 ounce can cooler for use with the TWISTLOCK mounting base. So you can see there on the bottom kind of how the system works. Let's open them all up and then we'll test them out. All right, this is the next size. This says tumbler on it. All right, this is the TWISTLOCK tumbler. I don't know how it opens. Oh, there we go. All right, so tips over in your side-by-side when you roll it, and if that's shut, your drink's gonna just hang upside down. Very nice, very nice. Never spill again. Again, 2-year unconditional warranty. That's wild. When I was talking to him on the phone, he said something about even if you run it over with your truck, you just take a picture and send it in and they send you a new one. I don't know. We'll see how that really works. We may run one over and see if they'll warranty it. All right, here we've got, let's see how many ounces this is. 20 ounce right there. Again, you got their lock system. This one, very nice, very nice. Cool. So how does it work? Let's grab my favorite one here. So we'll say that's mounted on a flat surface. You're going to basically take your twist lock and mount it on. That's rad. I don't care who you are. That is cool. It does come with all the mounting hardware as well. Let's try another one. Let's grab this beverage holder here. This is the one that's going to mount on a round tube. Now, yes, I know if you have something in there, it's going to tip over if it rolls upside down. But picture this on your boat or RV or any type of roll cage mount. It's not going to go anywhere. All right, and then we've got the last one here. This is, again, the mini disc. So this one has the smallest surface area for a mounting location. This one, you can also drop down in the cup holder of your existing cup holder, like in a Polaris Razor or Yamaha R-Max, Kawasaki KRX or something like that. You can drop that down in, and then you're going to just take your beverage down, turn it sideways, and now you're locked in, good to go. So we're going to get these mounted on some machines. We're going to see how they hold up. You need a drink, no problem. Stick it down, twist it into place. That is really cool. Again, this one for you guys, it's got some little pieces down in there. Oh, probably ought to pull those out the bottom, but you'll be able to drop this in to a 3.625 minimum cutout diameter. It's going to drop down in. You're going to grab your beverage, lock it in. So far, twist lock, I'm impressed. This one mounted on the side of a tractor. So there's going to be a lot of uses. We're going to get out and test the product. We're going to let you know what we think. And if it passes our standards, we're going to carry them here at Big Pine Sports. For now, I'm excited. Everything feels very good quality. Once we become a vendor for them, we're going to let you know. We're going to have them in stock. We're going to do some demos here, and we're going to give you some deals. We're going to get these things out of here. There you have it, the TWISTLOCK Beverage Locking System. You've got a locking system for your GoPro, you've got a locking system for your cell phone, and now you've got a locking system for your beverage. That's awesome. Have a good night, everybody. Thank you so much. We appreciate you chiming in. And TWISTLOCK, thank you for the samples. We out.